Hey y'all, just a really quick video on the new truck. This is a 2020 King Ranch, obviously F150, but wanted to do, it's currently on a little bit of an incline this way, a little hill this way, but it's got Rancho upper control arms and Bilstein, in a Bilstein leveling kit. It's much more level than it used to be. Rear end is still just a hair higher. I think it's half an inch when I measured. But I wanted to show you guys this so you could see if you were interested in it. But we've got Rancho control arms. I didn't want to do the puck on this truck because I thought it was just a little too nice in my opinion for that. Yeah, but no install video on it. Apologies, but it's really easy. Just up control arm. So you have your bolt here, and then bolt, you're done. Pull the stock one out, put the new one in. Also got a Ford related boiler on it. But yeah, anyways, just want to show you guys that, and some more videos of this coming.